Hi there, students. To warrant. Warrant, a verb. A warrant, a noun. And you've also got a warranty, and the opposite is unwarranted. An adjective, or warranted, an adjective as well. Okay, to warrant means something makes a particular action necessary, or it's a reason to do so. So your passing your CPE warrants a celebration. It warrants opening a bottle of champagne. Yeah, it's a reason to do it. It's a good, correct and reasonable reason for it. His injuries were serious and they warranted an operation. They made an operation necessary. This task is quite easy and it doesn't warrant 6 people to do it. 1 person would be enough. Okay, so to warrant, to give a reason for something, to make a particular action or activity necessary. He only made a very slight mistake, and I don't think it warranted such a severe punishment. Such a severe punishment was unwarranted. It was disproportional, unnecessary. And that's the idea of to warrant. Warrant has lots of other meanings as well, and we'll look at those in a minute. But to warrant, to make necessary, to justify an action. This book was so good that it warrants reading other books by the same author. Yeah, it is a good justification. It's a good reason for doing it. What could he have done to warrant such a harsh punishment? Yeah, the difficulty of predicting the future is no warrant to ignore it, no justification, no grounds. Okay, let's see. So a warrant can also be a legal document. A document signed by a judge, yeah, to give somebody power. An arrest warrant, yeah, an official document signed by a judge or somebody in authority that gives the police permission to arrest someone, an arrest warrant. To search someone's house, a search warrant. A death warrant. Okay, so it's an official document in law. In finance, a warrant is a security. It's an option to buy stock at a fixed price until the warrant expires, so for a period of time. Yeah, so a warrant gives you the right to buy shares in Shell at £6 until the end of next year. That's a warrant. Okay, so it's a financial instrument as well. Okay, so a warrant, a document signed by a judge, a warrant, a security. To warrant, to give a reason for, to justify, to make reasonable. Also, to warrant, to guarantee. You have a warranty, yeah, which is a guarantee. It's a document signed by the manufacturer that gives you a guarantee. The guarantee warrants certain things. You can also use to warrant, I warrant, to say that you are certain of something. I warrant that this is true. Yeah. I'm sure he'll be very happy. I'll warrant that he'll be very happy. It's like, I guarantee, I'm certain that this will happen. Okay, so a reason for doing something. Nothing that warrants behaving like that. Such behavior is unwarranted. Yeah, it's not called for. It's not reasonable. Yeah, to warrant, to call for. Um, to warrant, to guarantee, or to promise that something is true. Okay. Our products are warranted against defects. Yeah, and then this idea: I warrant that I warrant that it will rain tomorrow. Okay, so there are lots of meanings, as I said. Um, let's see. To warrant this, I would say it's semi-formal. I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation just about. Yeah. Maybe I guarantee this will happen. I warrant this is true. This warrants a celebration. This calls for, this needs a celebration. And to warrant is a regular verb. I warranted that this would happen. I have warranted the products that we made. I've given a guarantee about how good they are. Yeah, I warrant that this person is a good character and you really ought to give him a job. Yeah. Okay, so you need to try, but trying is no warrant for such success. Maybe circumstances warrant such measures. So COVID warrants the restrictions that they've put in place. So I know he did this. I'll warrant he did this. I'm certain he did this. I will warrant this payment. I will guarantee this payment. Yeah. And then an arrest warrant, a search warrant, or a stock warrant, a right to purchase shares at a specified price. Okay, so lots of words. The allegations are serious enough to warrant an investigation. I don't think an investigation is unwarranted. Yeah, to take out an insurance, you must warrant that your car is roadworthy. The police have issued a warrant for his arrest. Yeah, there is no warrant for the way he is behaving. Yeah, so a huge number, as I say. There's a warrant out for your arrest, so be careful. He's not ill enough to warrant calling a doctor. Calling a doctor would be unwarranted. The facts do not warrant spending much money. Spending a lot of money would be unwarranted. Wow, I've given a load of examples. Okay, so the origin. Let's see, in Middle English we had the word warrant, a protector or a guard or a shield or protection. Then you've got an old Northern French word warrant with the same type of meaning, or Old French garant, an insurance, a guarantee, a permission. And that itself comes from Frankish warand, yeah, or wajan, to fend off, to stop, to thwart. And then, yeah, probably it comes from German or one of these languages. Okay, so to warrant, a load of meanings. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel. This video certainly warrants a rating, and my channel definitely warrants subscribing to. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Warrant.